In the meantime, despite business operators' complaints and warnings from the Canadian, British and U.S. governments that their citizens should exercise caution in St. James, the visitors from those countries say they do not feel threatened. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has that story.
Strong police military presence in volatile communities in Montego Bay, as well as different sections of the town. All parts of the state of public emergency. But on the hip strip, in the center of the town, not so intense. Just a handful of police patrolling as tourists walk the streets just to get a glimpse of what Jamaica has to offer, despite St. James being under a state of public emergency. But as the security forces go in search of guns, wanted men, and clamp down on other illegal activities, countries like the UK and Canada have since issued advisories warning citizens about crime in Jamaica. Those advisories did not stop some visitors, however.
I wasn't worried. I've been here twice before, and I haven't had an issue either time I've been here before, so I wasn't worried coming back.
We're here, we're safe, everything's okay, that we can be here, it's fine.
But while the visitors we spoke with felt safe, here's what Rabbi Yaakov Raskin, who owns the kosher hotspot, observes.
Normally it is busier. I don't know if tourists are told not to go out on the streets or something, but it has been quieter. But thank God, God has been here.
So too for Lisa McLeod, who owns a store in the area.
When the tourists arrive, they don't want to come on the hip strip. They're scared. They stay in the hotel. Even when the cruise ship comes, they don't want to come off the cruise ship.
But if what these business operators are saying is true, how do they know this?
When they come, they tell us. Yes, and sometimes when you ask them like to go in the shop, they're scared. They brief them on the ship where to go and what to do.
Rabbi Yaakov Raskin says persons overseas have called expressing concern.
I always encourage visitors who always tell me, they call me from abroad, should we come to Jamaica? I say Jamaica is safe. It's lovely people. It's a beautiful island. Come. You know, there is a few crime, but it's between a few people, and it's controlled. It did get out of control this week, but I'm happy right away the government took the caution.
Tova Gazin, who resides in Canada, says many persons have been misguided, but that can change.
One person at a time will make a positive change. If everybody's afraid to come here, then there won't be any change. But more people that speak out and talk about what's going on, then that's when positive change can happen.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.